Well, it's a new week here in southern Indiana, and I'm back home after being at the NCBA convention in Orlando, and so now it's catch-up time with chores. I had put out enough hay to get me through that week, but it's time to put out several bales of hay, so I'll take care of the livestock and get caught up. The family was tasked with taking care of everything while I was gone, so things went pretty well. So just to catch up, February's kind of a big calving month for me. I have a cow already up in the barn that's due the 8th. Then I have several due the 11th through the 15th, and then several again from like the 15th to the 18th. So it's going to get kind of busy here on the farm. And as I said earlier, I'm putting out hay in the hay feeders for these gals. And then I'll take a closer look at them to see who's getting close. Well, a lot of people complain about net wrap, but you know, it really preserves those bales as far as I'm concerned. I will agree that it's kind of a pain to take off to feed, but that's just a little bit of time. It's no big deal. I might mention I did see at NCBA convention that New Holland had a biodegradable net wrap, so that could be kind of interesting. watched this one on camera as it was born. And this is a Boulder. And I mean, literally, it is seconds old. Good mommy, she's licking it off right away. And this cow is 3 days early. And I will say the miracle of birth amazes me every single time. Well, this is number 8. Got a cow 702. She was born last night, getting ready to tag and weigh it. Don't know what it is yet. And then we'll tag the other calf that was born this morning, which you saw on video. Well, I thought I'd share just a little bit of information. I'm going to go out and show you the next group of cows that I have up that's getting ready to calve. And a few statistics, I guess, about here in the Midwest compared to out west. Carson Sleep with Sleep Ranch, with their number of cattle in South Dakota, you know, they probably have as many calves in one day as I have in the first month of calving season. And so I think the average size cow herd across the country is 40 head per farm or ranch. And I guess here at my place I would be about the average. But in Indiana, I think the average size cow herd is about 19 cows per herd. So I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you the next group of cows that I have up. This cow that's straight in front of me, I wasn't too thrilled with her body condition, so I did get her up and separate her from the rest of the cows and dewormed her and give her some antibiotics. So hopefully she'll turn the corner and start feeling better. I don't know what the issue is with her, but I did treat her. And this cow here is due soon. I think all these cows are due between like the 11th and the 17th, but all of my cows have been coming early. There's, out of the 9 calves I have right now, there's only one that has been after her due date. And I can put these cows up into some pens. I have three pens and one smaller lot that I can put them up in. So I've just been keeping a close watch on these. I'm not 100% sure when they're calved. They're all artificially inseminated, so I do know their due dates, but it seems like due dates don't actually fit half the time. But wanted to give you an update on these cows, and when I look at them, they're starting to spring and they're starting to make some udder. So we'll see how things go. It looks like this whole group is going to calve except for one I'm not sure of. The one cow that I talked about with not feeling great, she's not due for a good while yet. I think maybe March. But that's just an update of the cows I have up. There's 6 of these that are gonna calve here hopefully within the next 10 days. Well, I'm just taking a quick walk through the field, counting calves, making sure that everything is fine. That's a KR Synergy Angus calf. Calf over here is a Here I come. You can see it's 50 degrees here in southern Indiana today. It is a little bit breezy, but cows are actually all out picking a little bit of grass. So everything's pretty content, as you can see out here in the field. I think I've told the story on this particular cow. My family calls her Fancy. To me, it's an oops. We had sold a 4-H heifer to a family, and they decided they didn't want to keep her. So I bought the heifer back. They said she had never been with the bull. And about several months later, this black and white cow came up, and they still claim they have no idea how that happened. But we kept her. She's just unique color. And that calf on the ground is actually a Boulder, and a Boulder is a half-blood semi. It was the most recent calf born. Actually, it was just born yesterday. It's kind of got some neat markings to it. So there's another Here I Come calf, and that would be a heifer calf. And with my luck, those Here I Comes, we were all hoping for bull calves, and I think we've had 4, and 3 out of the 4 have been heifers. So we've got one Here I Come bull calf, and that's actually, I believe, him right there. Nah, maybe not. Nope, that's a Play It Safe calf. There's one more cow down there by the fence line, and I'm not going to go down and bother her. That calf is nursing. So that's just a little update on the cow herd, and they're scattered out all over the place. As you've watched the video, as always, till next time, and encourage your friends to subscribe to the channel, and we appreciate you watching.